Hey guys, it's Clay at Mallard Motors. I'm gonna let you check out this truck we just got on the lot. Don't forget about our $100 credit challenge. That's where we'll give you $100 in cash if we can't get your credit approved. This is a 2013 year model Ford F-150 XLT. It's got the 5.0 V8 in it. It's 4-wheel drive. It's a nice black color with a lot of chrome details. You got chrome on the grill, chrome front bumper, chrome tow hooks on the front. Got chrome on the side mirrors, on the door handles, all the way around the bottom of the body. Got chrome wheels, chrome running boards. This thing's all chromed out. Got some fog lights on the front, still got clear headlights. You got blinkers on the side mirrors there. You got some really great tread left on the tires. Then you got 18-inch chrome plated wheels. Full-size 4-door crew cab. I did mention it's 4-wheel drive. You got parking sensors on the back bumper there. You got a towing package. Got a really nice bed cover. Bed's still in really good shape. It's got keyless entry. You got tons of leg room in the back seat. You got cloth interior, really well kept. It's in good condition. You got the keypad entry system. You got power locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors there. You got 191,000 miles on the dash. Got cruise control on the steering wheel over here, and you got some controls for the radio for hands-free calling. It's not a touch screen, but it is a decent sized little screen there for your media center. You got Microsoft Sync built in, so you're going to be able to hook your phone up via Bluetooth and all such as that. Got your trailer brake, electronic differential. You've got a rear view camera up here in the rear view mirror there. Got a CD player. It's a pretty clean truck. Alright, if you're interested in this one, I'd be happy to talk with you about it. Give me a call down here at 870-639-9200.